So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to install the AI PDF plugin here on ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT, then start a new chat by going to the top left, pressing on new chat button right here. Then once you're into a new chat, go to the top left. Now for me, it actually does say ChatGPT plugins because I am on that version. But if perhaps if you're on ChatGPT 3.5, it could say this. Simply just go to the version right here, press on it, go to the drop down, and then press on plugins. Then at the top where it says no plugins installed, I want you to press on that. Then scroll down and press on the plugin store button. Now, for me, under the popular tab, the AI PDF is actually right here. So you can simply go ahead and install that. Or what you can also do is go to the search bar and search it up for yourself. But I'm going to go ahead and just press install right here where it says AI PDF. It's now going to take a couple seconds to install this ChatGPT plugin into your browser. Once it is done, it should say install. Exit out of this. And if you go to the top here, the AI PDF is actually enabled. And as I mentioned before, this is a good plugin to have. Super fast interactive chats with PDFs of any size, completing with page references for fact checking. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can install the AI PDF plugin here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.